Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, unlock your iPhone 16 and open Settings. You do this because system-level controls live here. Once in Settings, scan the list for the NFC-related area. On iPhone 16, it's under Bluetooth and Connections or Control Center depending on iOS build. Make sure airplane mode is off so other radios remain visible. Tap the menu that mentions NFC, background app refresh, or wireless features. This first step gives you access to the toggles you'll change next. Once done, you'll locate the specific NFC controls. You may see a direct NFC toggle, or it will be embedded in Wallet, Apple Pay, or Control Center settings. That's why you check multiple places. Tap each candidate and look for NFC, Tap to Pay, or background tag reading. If you find a toggle, toggle it off to disable NFC. If it's absent, disable features that use NFC such as Apple Pay and background tag reading to achieve the same effect. Now finish the process. Turn off NFC or switch off Tap to Pay and background tag reading, then restart your iPhone 16 to ensure the changes take effect. After reboot, test with an NFC reader or a contactless terminal. It should no longer detect your device. If it still responds, make sure wallet cards are removed, then go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. This clears related system caches and often resolves stubborn radio settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.